Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to run an employee report in QuickBooks Online, a simple but powerful way to keep track of your team's details and activities. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. From the dashboard, click on Employees in the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see all your employee profiles. Click on the profile of the employee you want to review. On their page, look for the Actions drop-down in the upper right corner and select Run Report. Next, choose the date range you want the report to cover, whether it's the past month, quarter, or a custom time frame. Once the dates are set, click Run Report. And that's it. You now have a detailed employee report ready to view, download, or share. It's a quick and effective way to manage employee information and keep your business organized. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.